So I turned my pond into a Japanese beetle trap. Come join me in the chaos. All right, so I just barely started getting this thing set up. I'm still a work in progress, but it does a really good job right now at trapping Japanese beetles, and let me show you why. So you'll notice over here, oh, I'll scare the frogs. I have this little lure on a stick, and the stick is to hold it over the water because the beetles just flock to it. It has some kind of pheromone or something, and they just fall in the water. And as they fall into the water, they make food for my bullfrogs. So I made this pond, and a whole bunch of bullfrogs moved in. I think I have like 6 or 7 bullfrogs now. They're just baby bullfrogs. But it's really cool because the bullfrogs just go around the pond eating the beetles. Ooh, that one just got scared. So like infinite food for them. It's pretty awesome. Pretty easy experiment. You just get these lures at a hardware store. And the beetles just fall into your pond. And the bullfrogs eat them. Do the same thing over a chicken coop if you want. If you have chickens. I don't have chickens, but I do have frogs. I just got a little bit of duckweed for the pond. You have your bullfrogs?
Yep, I don't see any right now, but there's a lot of beetles on
I see a tadpole over there. Look, you can see the tadpole over here. Let me see if I can zoom.
I do.
Tadpoles are humongous. Oop, it doesn't want to zoom in on the thing. It wants to zoom in on the wires. You can barely see. Yeah, you can see it. These Japanese beetles. But yeah, once they die and sink to the bottom, the tadpoles actually eat them once they start decomposing a little bit. Yep. I didn't realize this until I got the bullfrog tadpoles. The kids caught these at a pond the other day. Ooh, look at that fat one right here. Don't scare Dolly.
They look like a bullfrog tadpole.
Yeah, little fat little legs on the back. And there's right in front of him is a bullfrog. All right, put the stick back through it so that it holds it over the water. Does a great job at attracting Japanese beetles. Thanks for joining us in the chaos.